Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to hide dimensions on sketch in Creo software. Okay, here I will create new part. Now I will create sketch. I will choose top plane and click sketch. Use these tools to make sketch view. Okay, I will create rectangle at this point. And now we create circle. And if you use a dimension, it will be automatically applied into this sketch. So you can change for dimension, like I will set into 200. And the other we set into 250. And you also can set for diameter in this circle like 100. Okay. Now how to hide these dimensions? You can click at this icon and check for dimension display. It will be automatically hide dimension on sketch. The other option, you can click file, go to option, click option, and in a core sketch, you can uncheck for show dimension and for show width dimension. Until it, you can click this OK button. Okay, that's it, how to hide the dimension in Creo. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.